watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, and welcome back! As the warm summer days arrive, it's a wonderful time to add a special touch to our homes. Today, we're going to explore how to infuse your cottage home with romantic summer touches, blending delicate details and soft colors to create a truly inviting and dreamy atmosphere. I've found some enchanting ideas to inspire you, so let's start creating that romantic summer escape. Here are some beautiful ideas to bring romantic summer touches into your cottage home. Delicate floral arrangements. Choose light, airy flowers like hydrangeas, garden roses, or baby's breath in simple glass vases or vintage pitchers. Less is often more for a romantic feel. Lace or sheer curtains. Swap out heavy window treatments for soft lace or sheer curtains that gently filter the sunlight, creating a dreamy glow. Soft, flowing textiles. Use textiles like linen, cotton, or even a sheer voile for throws, tablecloths, or bedding. Look for soft colors like blush, cream, or light blue. Vintage-inspired lighting. Incorporate lighting fixtures that have a romantic vintage feel, perhaps a small chandelier, a lamp with a delicate shade, or string lights with a warm glow. Pillow combinations. Layer pillows on sofas and beds using different textures and patterns, like florals mixed with solids or a subtle stripe, in soft, romantic colors. Antique or repurposed furniture. Feature a beautiful antique piece, like a dresser or a small vanity, or give an old piece of furniture a fresh, light paint job. Scented candles or diffusers. Enhance the ambience with the gentle scent of summer florals like rose, lavender, or a light linen fragrance from candles or diffusers. Personalized gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with cherished photos, vintage botanical prints, or pressed flowers in mismatched frames for a personal and romantic touch. Romantic bedding. For bedrooms, think layers of soft, light bedding with delicate ruffles or subtle embroidery in whites, creams, or light pastels. Display of collected treasures. Showcase small collections of vintage trinkets, delicate porcelain figurines, or beautiful teacups on shelves or trays. Mirrors with ornate details. Hang a mirror with a slightly ornate or distressed frame to add a touch of old-world romance and to reflect light. Fresh fruit and pastries. Display a bowl of colorful fresh fruit or some delicate pastries on a pretty stand as a simple, inviting, and romantic gesture. Outdoor nook. If you have a porch or garden, create a romantic outdoor seating area with comfortable cushions, soft lighting, and potted flowers. Books with classic covers. Arrange a few classic books with beautiful or weathered covers on a side table or shelf for a scholarly, yet romantic, touch. Subtle sheen or glitter. Incorporate a touch of subtle sheen with something like a mercury glass vase or a picture frame with a hint of glitter, catching the light delicately. So there you have it, some lovely ideas for bringing romantic summer touches into your cottage home. I hope these suggestions inspire you to create a space that feels personal, serene, and utterly enchanting for the sunny season. Which of these romantic ideas resonated most with you? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I wish you a beautifully romantic summer.